What's up guys and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be doing more of this, and if you see up in the corner like there is tapped on, it said pop pigs in levels, and I got more than 900 now, so I can finally get this done. And I wanted to say a shout out to my cousin, hey Dirt. That's what I wanted to say. Wow, he sounds really scary. Jesus. Oh my god. Hang on. Do you hear that? That sounds so scary. So yeah, there's my shout out to Dart. And I hope he's having a good day right now. I'm popping all these pigs, bruv. Popped. Ooh. This dude's car. That's cool. Please don't hit me. No, it didn't hit me. Ooh. Oh, wait. I didn't equip anything. Oh, wait, I can't equip anything. I was gonna get rid of the tech thing, but I can't. Okay, it doesn't shoot that fast, though. I think the other dude shoots quicker because, Oh! Actually, I think the next one's going to be 1000, so we might be able to get him after this level. Okay, but after this level, I might watch an ad to get double, so prepare for content. Okay. $36, then I'd have 60. No. That dude looks so weird. Okay, I'm gonna explain the story. Oh, okay, so King Pig was hungry, so he asked for some food. But he said no, so he just opened his chest up, grabbed bread, and started eating it. Or is his chest a microwave? I don't know. Sound Blaster. But was that not the other dude's name? Okay, hang on. So this fella's name was Sound Blaster. I think this fella's name was Soundwave. Yeah, look, Soundwave. Okay. I'm going to level this dude up. Upgrade. Very cheap. Again. Yeah, I'll spend one. Okay, it's a car upgrade. Look at that. I'm gonna do it again because why not? And then we should be, level 36. But I'm gonna do this again. Upgrade for 10k. Whoa! He got a pulse thing. That looked cool. Be honest, now that looked really cool. Okay, let's do a level. I don't know where to put my mic. Rank 37, boys. Explore. Rank 40 next. Okay, who's this? Wait a minute. But that dude better have a faster recharge because that's why I don't like that dude. Wait, no. I know this fella. He shoots multiple lasers, and yes, he does have a faster recharge. I've played with that dude before. Oh, I also got that, and that while I was grinding for stuff. This one just shoots a laser at pigs. This one knocks down This uses a beam to knock down builds. Okay. I'm gonna use her. Seriously? Oh my god, why? Why? That was a super small red. Or maybe his screen was just zoomed out. Okay, let's go. What? He just lasered himself out of that. He just went like surprised mother truckers and jumped out of it. Popped. Yahoo! This dude is so fast in this car. Oh, yeah, I really leveled this dude up and it was so expensive. That's why I don't really have that much money. Okay, this dude's just wasting these bullets. Seriously, game? Seriously? Uh-oh. Yes, I still knocked that down. Bob. I'm missing every single bullet. Sorry, but the only missiles I see is my man's. And the only bullets I'm seeing is them. Yeah, am I actually gonna die? No. Don't die now. Run, my man. No. I got popped. See you, suckers. I'm out of here. Oh, and oh my god, they were right up here. Seriously? Wow. I didn't even use her. I could have used her to save me. Uh-oh. Okay. Need another 200 popped pigs. Yeah, level 5 unlocked on something. I have no clue what I'm talking about. My last video, I can go all the way over here. I'm zooming way out. Now I'm zooming way in. Whoa. Wait, how long would it take for? Who would I want to play with? I want to play with you. Mission in progress. Do I do it? Yeah. Oh, I saw the money go. 61. Okay, come on. Nope. That was not worth it. I have no clue what you even have to do in that. Just gonna select this. Yeah, I got 15. Wait. Calling 20 different. Okay, I'm gonna play another match with him because this shit is so fun. It's just me or is one of them gone missing? I already have a different type of that dude. I think this is just a upgraded version. Yeah, look at this. Look at me now, up. Look at me now, up. Look at me now. Oh, this dude looks the image of me because I'm black and he's black. Yeah. I hit the two of them. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, hopefully my teammate helps me while I go for a second. No, I just need to go up here. Where's the charger? Oh no. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to call this in. Kablooey. Okay, I'm just going up here. I'm nearly there, yeah. Ooh. Not today, thank you. Found. Pop you. No. Owie. I'm a toaster. That's not a toaster. What is happening? Was there a little pig hiding there? Oh my god, there was. What? What hit me? Oh, them rockets. Not today, thank you. What? I said not today, thank you. Oh, I should have done this. What is even going on now? Pop them pigs. No. Pop. That was not good. That missile nearly got me. Tech thing. Did I get it? Oh, there's another tech thing. Now I'm a washing machine, seriously? Come on, teammates. Yay, teammates. Let's go. Okay. Hopefully I pop lots of pigs. Hopefully. Finished. Well, we do look the same. We look like brothers, but there can only be one. What's that? Nope. Bye bye. Have a good time. What is that saying our music in the background? Saying our. Saying her. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna play. How come I can use it now? Okay, I'm gonna use this so I can show you guys. I can have two of me. Yes, please. Angry Bird Friends. That's 2 videos in a row, guys. Come on. Hey, this dude can shoot out lasers and just delete everybody. What's up? Boom, boom. Okay, so this is what that does. The laser thing. Look, it brings blocks towards you. And then just destroys them. That's really helpful. That's really helpful with money blocks. And when there's like a huge tower with a pig on it. Although it does take a little while for the show to reload. Oh my god, this dude one-shots the money blocks. Stop. Huh. Nearly gonna sneeze. Excuse me, guys. Surprise! Quick, reload. It's behind here. TNT and the pig. Blow it up. Yay. Go boy, go boy. What? But I used my... Oh yeah, it is. I just didn't see the blue streak. Okay, you suck that up towards me. Or just throw it somewhere that I can't shoot it. Oh no. Oh no. No. Now I'm a washing machine again. Well, it could be worse. I could be a toaster. Oh, come on. What even am I? A pogo stick? Or a dinosaur? I'm a robot bird. Why? Every time when it comes to them, I'm not reloaded. Seriously? Hurry up, bro. Get out of there. Yay! 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 Owie. Oh wait, I can't shoot. Wow. What is even happening right now? What is even happening? Okay, I'm gonna take that down. Use that. Hopefully use my laser. Speed ahead because I don't want to get shot. Yes. Okay, there's that done. Okay, and then we fly off. Oh, I forgot to use him. How could this happen to me? 41 pig spot. I'd say if I watched an ad on that, then I would've, yeah, I would've. Okay. Which map to play? Let's play one match with this dude. But I still think my favourite one is the airstrike one. Cause who doesn't like an airstrike? Wow, that's so bad quality. Never mind. Oh, that's probably like comparing the old Flappy Birds to the new Flappy Birds. Yeah, this dude fires multiple lasers. And, oh yeah. Oh no, this isn't the dude that fires multiple stuff. What the hell was that? I keep forgetting. It's already getting chaotic. Oh, I didn't even mean to press that. My finger must have been on it. Well, at least I got another one. Oh, I'm just going to keep on using this when there's loads of pigs. Because I need to pop more pigs. If I want good content for this video. And if people want to see the new pig. Because, well, it's actually a bird. But this new bird is sick. He's so helpful. He shoots like 4 cannons at one time. Now I don't even know what's happening. Don't know why I exploded that. Yes, all of it fall. Ha ha ha. Ho ho ho. He sounds so weird, like ha 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 ha. That pig went flying. Oh. I don't know what happened there. Something popped up. Let's get that. Let's get that. Let's fire this. Whoa! Please don't kill the robot. Look at this, guys. Ouch. Whoa, they can actually hit you. There's like 4 of them in a row. Did you guys see that? Okay. Just keep going over here. Uh-oh. I didn't see what happened. I was doing something. Yay! Front flip! That dude just front flipped. Wow, that was cool. That dude has a cannon on his shoulder. Yeah, I need to claim this bonus if we want to see this new thing. What is this? Okay, tap. What is this? Uh-oh. Low battery. Low battery. I think I have to tap him. Yeah, I played this before, but that was ages ago. Anyways, I'm just gonna go out of this. Okay. Next, we got 86. Nope, you want much help. Hey! He just punched him. Anyways, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. And if you enjoyed this video, I know, wait a minute. Hang on. I just need to do one more thing for 40 pigs, because then we can get the new character, and then we can test him out. But them levels are just short. Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay, let's go. Use that. Show you. Oh wait, I forgot I don't have the rocket ship thing. So I couldn't rocket blow up everybody. So yeah, this should be like one of my quickest levels. Just to get thing. Just to get more pigs, and then we'll free him. And then, okay, the flying dudes. Use this laser. Okay, but yeah, that's what he does. He shoots all the stuff. Yeah, I just shut a door there. That's what that banging noise was. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Oh yeah, I'm a toaster. Okay, call that dude in. Show you. Oh, I forgot to get this. Okay, get that. Woohoo! What is this dude sounding like he stubbed his toe? Haha! Whoa, he ran into that building, that rocket. Now can I get you? Nope. Okay, if the black rockets put ink on your face, I'm just gonna call them the ink rockets. Is this an ink rocket? No. I never knew Transformers can turn into refrigerators and all that. Oh, I don't even know what I'm tapping at. Yay! Okay. Oh yeah, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. No, guys, I'm gonna have to watch an ad on this. because otherwise we won't be able to get the bonus. And then that would be sad days, and then I'd have to do another match, which I'm not doing. Seriously, this again? This ad again? Okay. Wow, this is taking a long time for this ad to stop. What is this? No thank you. Complete entire reward. 66. Yes, because this still doesn't... What? Seriously? But I pressed yes. That's still just toxic. Toxic. Boom, 1000. Then I can free him. Okay, let's go. And then, after this, I think that will be the end of this video. What was that? What the hell? That's apparently Angry Birds. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah, guys, look. It recharges so much faster, and that is so cool. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Just gotta get this level done fast before my phone goes dead. Wow, that attacks that as well. Wow, this game is so cool. Well, this board is so cool. Wow. This is OP. Okay. Did I already do the shout out? I think I did, but I'm gonna say it again because why not? Jared, I hope you're having a good day, and well, I don't really know what to say. Okay, this dude's low. He's still walking like a boss. He's taking it like a champ. Look at him. Dong, 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 dong. Whoa. Actually, I'm gonna show it over here. Wow, that did not go my way. I might die. No, it's just over here. Actually, I might. Because I have no power-ups. Nope, they're right here. Hello. Let's go. And I finished the video on 13%. I mean, it was on 25 when I started the video, so it must have been a long time. Only got 18 pigs popped. That's because these levels aren't really that long. Okay, what? Yeah, I know. I was confused as well. So it's like, which one is which? So he quickly runs, brings back a kind of paint. Wait, does he slip or does he paint one? Because he doesn't know which one it is. But yeah. Okay, this video is over because I don't want my phone to go dead. And yeah. Okay, see ya. And everybody have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I already said have a good day. But yeah. See ya, everybody. What's up, guys? This is Future Kai because I forgot to say goodbye. And have a good day. That's pretty much it. And see you, Jared.